Yeah, hello everyone. So this is few question which I collected with my recent interview, that is from Milestone Technology. So I got a call for this interview through Naukri again, and it has around 3 round of interview. So it is for 3 plus of Azure data engineers experience. Uh, Questions huge you can expect whenever you are planning to give interview with Milestone. So for the first round, it was for mostly for Databricks. Okay, the job role was mostly for Databricks. So you'll see most question from the Databricks side. So let's start. So for the first round, the question goes like this, where he asks for the self introduction, then the project explanation, which usually happen, and then he asks for what is the recent pipeline you have built. Can you explain me that and why you did that? So I will explain the recent pipeline what I have built, and then he asked for what are the PySpark optimizers technique, okay. So though I said, yeah, these are the thing we have implemented, and I know these are few other thing. And for data quality, what all you have implemented, and I said all the data quality transformation and also data quality check whatever implemented in my current project. And then he asked for what is Unity catalog and why we use it. Okay, so we have implemented the Unity catalog in my current project, so I've explained what is it and why and where it is being used. So then he asked for how the memory management happen in the Spark, and how and why the I said answer for it. Then the follow-up question it came like why driver out of memory can happen, and in which case execution or executor memory happen out of memory happen. That's kind of error he asked. So I explained how the what scenario driver OOM happen and executor OOM happen. So those scenario I've explained. Then he asked like if a job bit fail, how you debug it. Then I explained like how I go to the UI and check task and all those things I explained. Then I said like if this is kind of scenario, then I'll handle that. Then there I said like data skew if it is, then he asked like how you handle the data skew. Okay, so here I explained a different way of handling the data skew. And after that he asked me to share the screen and given this line where I need to code this line of code. So the question for it, like there are two table, one is department and there is employee table. Then I need to create SQL query which will fetch top 5 paid department. Okay, so the question is simple. We just need to join these two. Then we can use this top 5 based on the department ID. So the same thing I did. I joined the two table based on the department ID. Then I grouped with the department ID, and I created top 5 and ordering this salary. Okay, or I hope this is the clear for the round one. So after this, on the next day, oh sorry, on the same day I got call from the recruiter or HR for the next round. That was on the second day. So this was the second day. And sorry, so this is this part left. Okay, so once I done with this SQL way, he asked to write, can you do the same with the PySpark? So I did the with the same PySpark. Okay, this is the PySpark code. You can pause and you can check it out. I'll suggest once you get this line, you can try to solve by your own. So this is simple one, but yeah, in order to see it, better to try by yourself, so it will enhance your memory or whatever. Okay, second round. On the second day it was for second round he asked for, it was a architect. Okay, and the guy was architect, so he asked again the introduction, the project related. Then he asked me about the Databricks architecture to me. Then I explained about it, like what is data plane, control plane, how it is work and why it is. So all this thing I explained. Then he asked me like to create an incremental load explanation. Sorry, he asked me to can you explain or design a pipeline for incremental. Okay, then I explained with the timestamp, watermark and all. Then he said if what if there is no watermark column. Okay, then I try to explain with if there is some unique ID we capturing, we can go ahead with the max of that. Okay, then he moved for we and done with the CI/CD process and all. Then he also asked the coding question. Okay, the coding question was like this. So he asked me like there is a cell table where we have column called order date and amount, and in that here he's asking for, okay, two preceding and current row, like last 3 days average amount for that particular order date. Okay, that kind of question it is. So I applied here. If you see two preceding and current row I applied, then when I answer give particular question now, he asked me like why you are adding. Okay, can you explain me what you are exactly meaning over here? If you not mention two here, what will happen? So those if you know this one, my question will be understanding for you. So basically by default it will be unbounded proceeding and current row. Okay, so why I did the two proceeding? So to make the unbounded to two proceeding. So then he is like okay. Then he was fine with it, and then he said like, do you have any question for me? Then I said yeah, I asked few question. Then it closed. Okay, on the same day, the recruiter said like there will be third round which will be for after 2 days. So it was something with techno-managerial round. So that was went like this. So again on this also I got bit question like same pattern, like self introduction, project explanation. In the project I said medallion architecture we have used. Then he asked why medallion and what is the use of medallion architecture. Then he asked for the team member, what you do daily basis. Do you follow agile method? Can you explain me what you do daily basis? The ticket and all, where do you create, how you get assigned, and how this flow goes. And he asked like do you handle client, do you attend the client call and all. And if it is yes, then I said yeah, we attend the call on a weekly basis. Then he said like was there any scenario where the conflict with the client and all. So those kind of question he asked. So it went as a discussion with it. And yeah, so I hope this was the last round basically. But yeah, again I didn't get any call yet. It was the yesterday interview happened. Mostly today is the Friday, sorry, Saturday. So mostly Monday I'll confirm whether I got selected or not. Hopefully I will selected because all went good. So let's see. I hope all the questions were clear for you. If you like this one, do subscribe. And yeah, you can kind of help with me with that. And mostly I'll be sharing another couple of video on my recent interview. So for getting that updated, please do click on the bell icon. And also you can comment it out like what enhancement or what improvement I need to do throughout this making video. Again, this is something extra effort I'm doing, but I want to capture this journey, so that is the main reason. And if on this journey if I'm getting some kind of support with view, not views, kind of people looking at this, which will make me like yeah, I'm doing something, somebody is getting help with that. So that will make me motivate. So that's why I'm just asking some conversation in the comment. That's all. Thank you. See you in the next video.